Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to add GitHub link to your LinkedIn profile. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you can follow all the steps. First up, open your browser and then make sure to log in with your account on GitHub website. And here, what you're going to do is copy your GitHub profile link. To do that, click on your profile icon right there at the top right-hand corner of your screen. And then here, click on your profile. Now here on your profile page, copy the link or URL link right there at the search box. Right click and then click on copy. Next step, open a new tab and then sign in with your LinkedIn account. Here, click on me icon right there at the top and then click on view profile. Once you click on your view profile, it will show you your profile page. Now click on the pen icon right here at the bottom of your cover photo. And here you can edit your contact info. Just scroll down, then click on edit contact info button. Now here scroll down till you find the website and then click on add a website. From here, you can paste the link or GitHub link that we've copied. Right click and then click on paste. And you can also select the website type. You can select either personal, company, blog, RSS feed, portfolio, or other. So in this sample, I'm going to select company. Once done here, click on save button right there at the bottom right. Again, to confirm, click again this save button right there at the bottom right. Once done, if you're going to click on contact info, then you will find your GitHub link. So that's it. That's how you basically add GitHub link to your LinkedIn profile. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.